back to Hayls World. So even though other applications like Telegram are way more advanced chat apps, for the billions of users that use WhatsApp, here are some really cool new nifty features that you have to check out. And also, you may want to stay until the end because I have a couple of gift cards to give away to some of my lucky subscribers. So let's get into it. Straight off the bat, View Once is a really cool new feature. So if you get a message from someone and you see this type of notification, this is a View Once photo. You'll also know that by this little icon in the top right-hand corner. If you click on it, it says this photo is set to View Once, and as the name would suggest, you can only view it one time. So when sending messages, if you want to use this feature, simply click on the attach button, then go to your photo and video library, select your photo, and once you've typed in your message, all that jazz, right over here you'll see this little one icon, and if you tap on that, it'll set this photo and message to View Once. Then of course you can go ahead, send the message, and then when the other person goes to view the photo, they'll only see it that one time and will never be able to open it again. This feature works for both photos and videos, but unfortunately nothing else. And also, don't be too certain when sending these View Once photos or videos because the other person can actually screenshot them and save to the gallery. Just keep that in mind when sending these View Once photos or videos. You know what I'm saying? Now I know for a fact we all have that one friend or family member that send the longest voice notes, and sometimes it just takes up too much time trying to listen to it and all that jazz. So this new feature is super nifty and I freaking love it. So here is exactly what I'm talking about. You get a message from a friend, you open it up, check out the voicemail, and you realize, oh my goodness, this voice note is pretty long, I need to get going. Well, right over here is this little 1x icon, and if you click on that, it'll speed up the voice message. You can speed it up even more to 2x faster, and if you can't see this yet, just make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. Okay, now in the past, if you ever missed a group WhatsApp video call, you would have to go into the chat, message everyone, tell them you're there. They would have to hang up the chat, then recall everyone. Basically, it was a giant mission. But now with this new feature, it is so much better. So generally, when you receive a video call on WhatsApp, this is what things look like. You can of course chat with your friends, move things around, but as I mentioned, the problem comes in when you actually miss this call. So let's just say you're super busy, you cannot take this call right now, and you decide to click the ignore button. But then later on, you want to rejoin the call. Well, now you can just click on the calls icon. Right at the top, you will see the active video call between your friends. And if you tap on it, you'll be prompted to join. And if you click on that, bam, you are straight away back in the main video call with all your friends. So no more hanging up and redialing, thank goodness. Now, for those of you who have been using WhatsApp for a long time, I'm pretty sure you will remember those bland, boring stickers like these coffee ones and these dog ones. They just had no movement or anything that interesting. But now, if you click on that plus icon under stickers, you will see a bunch of new sticker packs, and the awesome part is 99% of them are animated. So once you find one you like, go ahead, click download, then hello, check out these awesome animated stickers. There are also so many different packs to choose from, so definitely go ahead and check these out. Oh, and by the way, hit that subscribe button because we're on the road to 1 million, and if you subbed, that would, I would just be like, Now, another really cool and nifty thing that WhatsApp have done is sticker search and suggestions. So once you head on over to the stickers section, right over here, you'll see that search icon. And at the top is where you will now see a bunch of sticker suggestions. So whether you click on love, greetings, or happy, all the stickers relating to that category will appear, and then you can just pick and choose. Or if you're not happy with any of their categories, you can just go ahead, search for what it is you're looking for, like laugh, and again, all the stickers with laughing or smiling in it will appear, and you can just go ahead and send that straight away. Now, a really cool, nifty feature on WhatsApp is you can video and voice call right from your computer. This feature wasn't available for the longest time, and oh my goodness, I am so glad it is here. So in the top right-hand corner, you'll now see a video icon, and if you tap on that, straight away it'll start video calling that contact. It uses your computer's built-in webcam as well as speakers and microphone, but you can use just about any webcam or camera just by clicking those three little dots, and then here you can choose your camera and microphone output. Then right next to the video icon, you will see a call icon. And again, if you tap on that, straight away it'll call your contact. And the other cool thing is while on these calls, you can actually chat with your contact and send a bunch of messages back and forth. Now, while on the topic of WhatsApp desktop, we have got to talk about the new picture editing update. If you go ahead and attach a picture from your desktop, right at the top, you'll see all these new tools that you can use to edit your pictures. So straight from that toolbar, you can add emojis, you can add stickers, text, and even use the paint tool. So I decided to add a little custom sticker of myself. You can upsize the size of the stickers, place them anywhere you want on the screen, and there are a bunch of different text options. So whether you want to change the font, the background, or even the color of the text, you can do that all there. And again, you can choose whatever paint color and size brush you want to create a really cool pic. Okay, now in the past, when you archived a chat, it would stay there until you got a new message. Then it would go back into the main chat section until you had to re-archive it again. But not anymore. Let me show you what I mean. If you have a chat, for example, that you want to remove from the main section, you can hold down and click on that archive button. Then right at the top, you'll see archived, and if you tap on that, there is the chat you just archived. But now with this new update, when you get a message from that chat, you'll just see this little one appear next to the archived section, and you have to click on it to open things up and access that message. But if you don't like this option though, you can choose to toggle it off within settings. So once in there, you're going to select the option that says chat, and right over here, you'll see the option to keep chats in the archive or not. So if you toggle that off, the next time you get a message from that archived chat, it'll pop into the main chat section, just like this. Then this new feature is for my iPhone users. If you head on over to settings and select chat, towards the bottom, you'll now see this option that says move chat to Android. And as the name would suggest, this makes life so much easier when wanting to switch from an iPhone to an Android phone, and you don't want to lose any of your previous chats or messages. So guys, like I said, I have some Play Store and App Store gift cards to give away to some of my lucky subscribers, so you can download some epic movies, apps, and even games. And you guys know the drill. All you have to do to try and win these is try out some of these codes. Yeah. But why don't you guys let me know down below what you thought of these nifty WhatsApp features. Also, if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe, or you can check out some of my other videos right over here. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Toodles!